Good morning, students. Today's topic is block diagram of computer. If we see in this diagram, firstly we are taking input, then central processing unit, that is the CPU, it will process the data and give us the desired output. Now, first of all, we will explain how to accept input. Input means feeding data into the system. We will input the data through input device. It can be keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, or any of the input device we can use to feed the data into the system. Second is storage, means you want to save some data. So there are two types of memory. First is primary memory and second is secondary memory. Primary memory, that is RAM, random access memory, and it is also known as main memory. And secondary memory is a memory in which we can store our data permanently. For example, floppy disk, CD disk, and hard disk. Next is control. How the execution is managed. The entire part is controlled by control unit. As the name indicate, control unit, it will control the entire system, and entire system will be controlled by the CPU, that is central processing unit. Fourth part is processing. Processing means to execute the instructions properly, take input and give desired output. The inputs provided by the user are processed by the central processing unit as per specified instructions. The result of the processing is then either directed to the output device or a memory locations for storage. Last, that is provide output. We will get output on output device. If we want hard copy, then we will use printer, plotter, or if we want to save our data, we can save on secondary memory. Next, if we talk about the central processing unit, basically it has two modules. First is arithmetical logical unit and second is control unit. Whenever we talk about the ALU, that is arithmetical logical unit, it is responsible for processing data. All the arithmetical and logical tasks are to be accomplished by the ALU. It can be any type of the calculation, plus, minus, multiply, divide, or any type of the comparison if A greater than B or not. Either the condition will be true or that will be false. That entire task is to be accomplished by ALU, that is arithmetical logical unit. And control unit is responsible for coordination between the different units of the computer. For example, if it coordinates with the peripheral devices to accept the input and display the output. Here the word is peripheral devices are the devices which are attached through wires, that are known as peripheral devices. It also coordinates between memory and ALU by issuing time signal. Now, if we talk about the memory, as I have already told you, there are two types of memory. First is primary memory and second is secondary memory. Primary memory is also called as main memory. It is a RAM, that is a random access memory. It is a volatile memory. It works with electricity. And secondary memory, it is a permanent memory. The memory which is external to the computer system forms the secondary storage. For example, magnetic tapes, compact disc, pen drives, and are all the example of the secondary storage.